Top 5 Drift Cars Ever. Number 5. Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. Discover the Ford Mustang, a top choice for drift enthusiasts thanks to its rear-wheel drive design and versatility for powerhouse engines. Tuned Mustangs have found success in drifting competitions, with Shelby models offering heightened performance by turbocharging Ford V8 engines for effortless rear-wheel spins. Unlock the potential of this iconic car for an unparalleled drifting experience. In addition to its robust performance capabilities, the Ford Mustang also boasts a timeless design that pays homage to its rich history while incorporating modern aesthetics. Its sleek silhouette, aggressive grille, and distinctive lighting impress both on and off the track. The interior of the Mustang is just as impressive, offering a blend of luxury and functionality. High-quality materials, advanced technology features, and comfortable seating create an engaging driving environment. Whether it's cruising city streets or tearing up the racetrack, the Mustang delivers an exhilarating driving experience that's hard to beat. Number 4. Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo. Discover the legendary Fairlady Z, a classic with over 50 years of history akin to the iconic Mustang. The fourth generation, Z32, stands out as the ultimate 300ZX, boasting a sleek and potent 3.0-liter V6 engine in the base model and an even more formidable twin-turbo version in the 300ZX Twin Turbo. This powerhouse also comes equipped with adjustable suspension and four-wheel steering. It served as the foundation for championship-winning race cars across various series globally, including a remarkable 5-year reign in the IMSA GT series. Unleash the legacy of performance and innovation with the Fairlady Z. Number 3. BMW M3 E36. Discover the iconic BMW M3, renowned for its exceptional performance in coupes, convertibles, sedans, and even wagons. Stay ahead of the curve with luxury, power, and precise handling. 3 out of 6 generations of the M3 have earned their spot on this list. The third generation made history with a 6-cylinder engine, offering the option to switch from automatic to manual transmission for optimal control. The fourth generation saw further enhancements in technology and design, solidifying the BMW M3's reputation as a leader in high-performance vehicles. Notably, this generation introduced a V8 engine, marking a significant leap in power that appealed to enthusiasts worldwide. The integration of advanced aerodynamics and a lighter chassis improved agility and speed, setting new benchmarks in the sports car segment. With each iteration, the BMW M3 has not only embraced the latest in automotive technology but has consistently stayed ahead, redefining what drivers expect from a performance vehicle. Number 2. Mazda Speed MX5 Miata. Experience the ultimate drifting machine. The Mazda Miata. With its compact, balanced design and turbocharged 1.84 engine in the Mazda Speed Edition, this car may not have the most power, but it's perfect for nimble maneuvers on the track. At 178 horsepower and weighing just over a ton, this lightweight powerhouse is ready to dance around any circuit with ease. The interior of the Mazda Miata does not disappoint either. Designed with the driver in mind, everything from the supportive seats to the positioning of the gear shifter is intended to enhance the driving experience. While it may offer a more snug fit compared to larger vehicles, the Miata provides an intimate cockpit that makes you feel connected to the road. Additionally, the soft-top convertible feature allows for an exhilarating open-air driving experience, perfect for sunny days on winding roads. True to its sports car heritage, the Miata proves that a car doesn't need to be the fastest to deliver a thrilling ride. Number 1. Nissan Skyline 25 GT. Unlock the drifting potential with the iconic Nissan Skyline R3425 GT. With its rear-wheel drivetrain and powerful engine, this 10th-generation coupe is a drift classic. Import now and experience up to 197 horsepower naturally aspirated or unleash more with turbocharging. Secure your spot on the list of best drift cars ever designed. Beyond its impressive performance, the Nissan Skyline R3425 GT stands out with its timeless design. Its sleek body and aerodynamic shape not only contribute to its aesthetic appeal, but also enhance its handling and speed, making it a favorite among car enthusiasts around the world. The interior offers a perfect blend of comfort and function, with ample space and intuitive controls that put the driver in complete command. Whether it's for competitive racing, casual drifting, or simply enjoying a drive on winding roads, the Skyline R34 delivers an unmatched driving experience. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.